Hey, what's going on? Strolling with me, Todd.
And Tara. Today we're at Warwick Park in Chester County.
Oh, yes. And we have the boy. It's a nice little park here. We stopped for a pit stop so he can get out and stretch his legs before we hit our other destinations. They have a playground there. Some more pavilions. It's very, very nice. So there's plenty of parking. There's tents down there. I don't know if you can I don't know if you can camp here or not. There's all sorts of placards, stuff. There's restrooms are over here. There's like a little ranger's office or something there. The restrooms are really clean. And there's also like an observation deck or something that's up that way.
This way.
But there's a path here that you can walk on, and then there's a wooded area over here that has a trail, and we're going to hit that trail right now. We want to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that
Like button and subscribe.
There you go. And if you already subscribed, we want to thank you. It truly means a lot. So many smells in the world. You know, there's lots of pavilions and stuff here. This is our first time here. There's the bathrooms in the little, I believe it's like a little ranger station or something.
The park office.
Park office. Chester County Ranger. Park Ranger. Here's the trail.
There are two trails here. One is the Adirondack Tree ID Trail, which is the green triangle, and the other trail is the Iron Heritage Trail, which is the red triangle.
And there's a little plaque right here. A road to the furnace. I believe these plaques here were of the tree. Black cherry tree, I believe it is. Black cherry something. You can see a little bit of like a leaf print there. I don't know how far of this we're going to walk. But we'd figure we'd bring you along and check this out. See some more ferns and mayaples and some other stuff that I'm not familiar with. It's a pretty cool looking tree. Here's a tree that has all sort of carvings in it. I do see lots of poison ivy along this trail, so I forget what this stuff here is called. I wanted to say it's skunk lettuce, but it's Eastern skunk cabbage is what this is called. I know it was something skunk, but I couldn't remember exactly what it was. We had to look it up quick. Maybe we'll go up this. Oh, there's 3 trails here.
Yeah.
That other sign said 2 trails, didn't it?
Yeah, one was green and one was red.
Yeah, there's another yellow blaze, so we'll go up this way. Maybe this will bring us up out at that observation deck. Nice little rocky area. Horseshoe Trail Registry. Huh. Lots and lots of ferns again. So pretty. Just soaking it all in. There's a little bit of some moss and some little baby ferns. Heading up this nice steep hill. Just taking our time and soaking it all in since we were never here before. We came across what looks like a little rose bush, maybe. Sort of looks like one of the ones that you buy at the supermarket. Not 100% sure, but that's what it sort of looks like. Very steep hill. Lots of cool trees and rocks and stuff.
Yeah. This is nice.
It's very nice. Do you like this?
I do like this.
Do you?
Very nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yes, I give it a thumbs up.
There you go. Got an official thumbs up. Very steep though.
This will get your heart going.
Yep, it definitely will get your heart going. And again, this is the Yellow Blaze Trail. We were just on that yesterday, on Friday. And today is May 2nd. Saturday, May 2nd, 2026. We were very bad about saying the recording of our videos, and I apologize. No, that's...
Okay, there's a sign.
Yeah. We're going to go this way.
Okay. This probably brings you back down.
Yeah. Very, very, very nice and very peaceful. I think we just hit Rockville on this side, and then Fernville on this side. Look at this tree here. This tree's pretty cool. The roots and stuff of the tree. There's an old tree. Probably can tell some stories. There's part of it there, and I don't know if that's part of it or if this is part of it. Maybe both of that's part of it. You could tell it was a real big tree. This is very, very nice. I'm going to zoom in here and see if you guys can see this. I don't know what them little that is. It looks familiar, but I can't remember what exactly it's called. She said it's shining club moss.
A native perennial evergreen plant.
There you go. There you go. I know I've seen stuff like that before, but I don't know if it's the exact same. Watch out for the horse manure. You got another little plaque here. Stop. Pit stop number 6, summer charcoal production. Huh. Pretty cool. There's a lot of history in Pennsylvania with furnaces and stuff. Lots and lots of history. Lots of history with other stuff also. That's pretty cool. Lots of poison ivy here. If you do go hiking or out in the woods, just be aware what is out there as far as like poison and stuff like that, especially if you're not familiar with stuff, because you don't want to get poison ivy. It'll probably drive you up the wall. Very itchy. I know when I was younger I never got it. I don't believe I still get it, but I don't want to take a chance. I believe that's the end of the yellow and white blaze. Up here's that observation deck. So I figured it'd probably bring us out up here. So we're going to go over here and take a gander and see what we can see. Alright, we were talking, and I think we're going to come back some other time and
Find the furnace.
yeah, find the furnace and do all these other trails and the plaques and stuff like that. So that ought to be fun. We weren't expecting this. We just stopped here to get him out and to use the facilities, because we're a couple counties away from home. So, but we're just about at this observation deck. So
let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out. All right, here's a little fun facts.
The iron from this furnace provided the skeletal framework to construct the Washington Monument in 1848 and the Eiffel Tower, the world's tallest structure, in 1889.
Pretty cool.
That is so cool.
Here's the underneath of it. Hold on, Bubba. Right there, and we're gonna go on the.
Okay, this is what this is.
Yeah, I knew this was something.
It says the Fink Truss at this pit stop is an example of the iron industry's importance to the development of bridges and railroads, which connected farms to towns and moved goods and people in the new nation.
There you go.
So this.
We'll go here on this side and watch our stuff. So if he can get up the step here, I might have to go back over there. So can you get up here? Up. Come on, up here. There you go. All right. Go on. All right. Feels a little soft on the feet.
Well, it is It does have moss on it.
Yeah. There's a little bit of rot up here, so watch your step. Hold on.
You would.
He's trying to smell that. There's a little bit of rot, but it's all good, I believe. Hold on, Bubba. There's some caterpillars. This is the view that we see.
It's really pretty here. But this would be so pretty in the fall.
Yeah, it would. All right, we just came down these steps on this side. Here's a picture, or what the truss looks like. Pretty cool. It's a very nice park. Absolutely very nice park. Don't you think so?
Yes, I really, really like this.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Do you really like this?
I do really like this.
I really like it too. I just lost my balance.
I just think in the fall that seeing all the trees would be so pretty.
Yeah.
But it's very pretty now.
There's a bench up there to sit on. Little prairie here. There's another sign over here. The sky's beautiful today. There's a little plaque here of them building it. The Fink Truss. It's Pennsylvania's only surviving Fink Truss, patented in 1854 by civil engineer Albert Fink. Pretty cool.
You?
In 1870, the Chester County Commissioners contracted with the Phoenix Iron Works, Phoenix, Pennsylvania, to make pedestrian foot bridges across the French Creek, which was used until 1990. Pretty cool.
Oh, they call this the Bridge to Nowhere.
There you go. It's the bridge.
It incorporates the restored Fink Truss from Phoenixville and is now used as a scenic overlook of the French Creek Valley.
Pretty cool.
It is really cool.
All right. I think that's going to do it for the day at this location. We're going to get back in the car and head to the next one. He's ready to go. But remember to always have a great day.
Bye.
We'll catch you on the next one.